Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write advertisement writing in English. Advertisements are forms of communication designed to target a specific consumer base, encouraging them to take the desired action. Advertisement writings or advertisements are of two types. First is classified advertisements and second is display or commercial advertisements. Classified advertisement is a small advertisement that you put in a newspaper or a magazine, usually because you want to sell or buy something or to find or offer a job. In this video, we will learn example of a classified advertisement. First, write the heading Situation Vacant. Ensure to write it in bold or capital letters. Next, wanted a canteen manager for Akash Public School, Agra. Candidate must have a degree in hotel management with +3 years of experience in canteen management. Should be efficient, organized, and well versed in hygiene regulations. Salary negotiable. Apply with resume to the principal. Public School, Agra by mention the last date of the application. Email principal@publicschool.edu.in